Hey, check out what HAISSTRONICA just sent over. They sent over the 220-piece heat shrink tubing kit with the mini heat gun, along with the 6-piece crimping tool set. Let's test this stuff out. We're going to put a couple different connectors on. I'm going to show you the different jaws that this comes with, how to change them out. We're also going to test out this heat gun, and we're going to put some shrink tubing on. So let's get to it. This 6-piece crimping tool comes with a little pamphlet, and it tells you exactly what each one of the jaws is used for. You got A, B, C, D, E, and F. This case is labeled as well for each jaw that's in it. Right now I have F in there. When you open this up, it comes with A in there. A is for regular heat shrink butt end connectors. So don't lose this little piece of paper because you can always reference it for what you're working on. This 220-piece 3-to-1 heat shrink tubing kit comes with a bunch of different sizes. It tells you right here how many pieces of each size you get, and you got red and black. This mini heat gun comes with a heat gun nozzle. It's got a little stand, and it's got 1, off, and 2. So you got 3 different settings for it, and it just plugs into a regular outlet. So now let's crimp this end onto this wire and use some heat shrink and use that gun and the crimper. So first we're going to put the heat shrink tubing on. And then we're going to look in that little packet on what jaws to put on the crimper. So we're going to need C. So to change the jaws out, all you do is unscrew these 2 screws right here, and then you can slide these out of here. So I open them up a little bit. Be careful not to pinch yourself. Then they slide out. Then you're going to slide the new ones in. Make sure they line up before you put the screws in, and don't pinch yourself. Then you just tighten up the screws. And there you go. But now we're ready. So now you got this little connector on here. You want to line that up. Turn this a little bit. And you just push down. And then you got yourself a nice connection. Now we're going to slip the heat shrink over it. This heat gun's got 2 settings. You got 1, off, and 2. We're going to put it on 2. We're going to get this stuff shrinked on there. This thing works really fast. There you go. It's all shrinked, crimped, and now we got a good connection ready. So there you go. That was super easy. This heat gun works awesome. This heat shrink tubing is awesome. You got a bunch of different sizes. I like the variety of this. You got 6 different pieces for this crimping tool. HAISSTRONICA's got a whole bunch of other stuff. They got wire strippers, heat shrink butt end connectors. Definitely check them out. I'll have links to all this stuff in the description. We'll see you guys next time.